Hello YouTube, this is Mountain Meadow Arms, and today I'll be showing you my CQB Master Alpha with a custom slide work done by myself. If you have this gun, you'll notice that after repeated use, this front sight shroud or front half of the slide will become loose after repeated use, because the slide on the blowback feature, it will come forward and slam into the shroud every time. And I saw that happening, so I decided to make my own mod to counteract that so it doesn't happen anymore. So the first thing that I did is I looked at the slide and I saw that right here it was hitting on that point of contact. So what I did is I took a grinder and I ground the slide down on this piece right here and reshaped the front right there so that it would not hit anymore. It also looks kind of cool because it adds a second color, making the slide look a little two-tone to the setup. And then I shot that a couple times, and then I found that this piece right in the middle there, I'll zoom in on that for you, the spring guide, that started to be hit on the front of there, so I also ground that down and put a new edge on that, or not new edge, but just a new shape to it so it wouldn't hit. So here, let me take it apart real quick, and I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here I have the gun taken apart now, with just the slide and our spring guide right here. Now this piece goes into the slide right up in front here. So as you can see from a better angle, this is where I ground all the slide down, was just on this front edge of it right there. Now just a simple grind took like less than 10 minutes, and just removed metal away so that it gave me adequate spacing for this to not touch when it came on the slide. And as you can see on here, there's some wear right here and a little bit in the front, but you can't see it because I put a little bit of tape on it, where it was hitting it before and loosening it up, and it was also damaging the little set screw that sits in the bottom of this. So it's a really good mod to do if you have the right tools and equipment. So that's the mod I did to it on the slide, and then this piece just sits right back in here, and that is our slide assembly. So just kind of grinding, so it's kind of some custom slide work, so I just thought I'd show you a video. If you have a CQB Master with a split slide, I would highly recommend this so you don't begin to damage and wear out the slide and the grommet and screw over time, because I'm sure you will. And also it gets really annoying when this front shroud begins to loosen up. So that's the first part. The second part of this video, I wanted to look at the barrel, hop up, inner barrel, and all that. So one thing I found is over lots of use, this little plastic piece right here is beginning to wear out, because what's supposed to happen is supposed to come, stop like that, and that's the range of motion that it has right there. But now, for some reason, it's going past that and completely going over top of the plastic piece, and what happens is, you can't quite see it, so let me take this off real quick. This is just the thread adapter. But the inner barrel is coming out of the outer barrel, so there is extended, and you come in like that, see it actually pops out of the outer barrel, and you can't get it back in without kind of breaking this even more. So I was wondering if anyone's ever had this problem, and if they did, what they did to fix it, or if anyone knows the part or what I could do to fix this. But it's kind of annoying, and I'd like to get it fixed so I don't break it sometime. So that's just a quick video of my Wii CQB Master and the slide work I've done to it, and a couple of modifications. And then there will be a couple more modifications coming soon to the piston head, and all that stuff. So stay tuned for that next video, and I'll have it up shortly. Thanks for watching. Bye.